This is probably my third bottle of water today, you guys. It's so hot. Like everything about America is always excess. When it's cold, it's very cold. When it's hot, it's very hot. Like I can't even help it. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys my minimalistic makeup routine. This is kind of a summer, like a go-to summer, or you can simply call it a summer glow up makeup look. And I'm going to start with my skin, and for today's video I'm going to be using the Teami vitamin C tea infused serum. And this is actually a serum, you guys, and you guys know with serum you can either use it as a moisturizer. This one has hibiscus flower and vitamin C, and of course vitamin C helps a lot with collagen production, which in other words, it just helps with, and it's kind of an anti-aging property, and hibiscus flower helps with, you know, firming and lifting the skin. So I recently just received this from Teami, and you guys know I love Teami products. It's not just a plain serum, you guys. As you all can see, it has kind of a pink color to it, so it also helps with color correction. So I just love to, you can either apply it with your palm, you can just pump it onto your palm and then apply, but I just love to apply it right on my skin. Like 2 pumps is enough because it kind of, it spreads really well. Just gradually work it into your skin. You know how sometimes when you apply serum, it leaves kind of an oil, sticky feel to your skin, but this one right here, it just completely absorbs into the skin without leaving that oily residue on the face. This product right here is said to help a lot with brightening the skin. Of course, you guys know vitamin C, it's kind of a brightening property. Okay, so now after the serum have already absorbed into my skin, the next thing will be to go ahead and apply an oil, because you guys, when you're going for that natural summer makeup, you need your face to be as dewy and as soft and glowy as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this Teami Soothe tea infused oil. This has lavender, white sage leaf, and blue tansy essential oil, you guys. This is exactly how it looks. And you guys, one thing about this is, if you have an irritated skin, like people like me, you guys, if you have active acne or your skin is very irritated, this is just perfect for you. So I like to apply like 2 pumps of the oil on my skin. And you guys, this is an anti-inflammatory and also has all natural ingredients. This is made from 100% pure plant extract. And one thing I noticed, the very first time I applied this oil, I noticed it has kind of a tingling sensation. So when I apply it, I like to kind of pat it into my skin, and I normally love to leave this on for maybe a minute or maybe like 30 seconds to a minute, so it will absorb right into the skin. Of course, all these are skincare products, so that means it's all done before your makeup, so you can wear all this under your makeup. Sometimes I have oily skin on my T-zone and also my nose area, so I'm going to go in with my Becca Ever Matte Polish Priming Perfector and just apply it right on the areas where I normally would produce oil. Like I don't like applying this all over my face once I have this serum and oil on, because like I said, we're going for that very nice, minimal, flawless summer makeup. I just like to work the primer right on my nose area. I don't know, am I the only one who always produce oil on my nose area? It's not even funny, you guys. Oh, when you have that very nice base, you guys, you really love your makeup. Like these 3 products I just used right now, it just helps to prep my skin before then we go over to the makeup. Okay, so for foundation, whenever it's hot and I don't want to use a ton of foundation, you guys, I love to go on with my Lancome tint idole. This right here is my favorite when it comes to summer and hot weather because it's so lightweight. You know how sometimes when you wear foundation and you can feel like you have on foundation, but this one right here is just so soft and so like it's very lightweight, you guys. So I like to apply a pump. Let's do 4. and then blend it out. And to blend out my foundation, I'm going to be using Beauty Crush Cosmetics makeup sponge. I always use a makeup sponge whenever I don't want a ton of coverage. And for the Lancome, I'm using the shade in 460 Suede. Anytime I don't want that full coverage, my makeup sponge is my favorite. We aren't going for full coverage today, you guys, because you know when you're outside in the hot weather, like having a full coverage is the least of your problem. I don't want to go out there and sweat and end up melting the whole place. So just a little, just to even out my skin tone. Like whenever you apply foundation, it kind of gives your face a warm color situation, but when you go ahead and highlight, you kind of add light and kind of color to the skin. So I'm going to be using my E.Y.E.B.R.O.W Conceal in Fawn. I'm still going to go in with the same makeup sponge and just blend out the concealer. This makeup sponge reminds me of the Beauty Blender, but this right here does an amazing job for a fraction of the price. I think this is $9 or something, you guys. Like, it does such an amazing job. Oh my gosh, you guys, E.Y.E.B.R.O.W is still one of my favorite concealers. Like, it just gives a very nice blend. I have to stay hydrated. Oh, jeez, yo. Alright, so with this hot weather, the next thing is to go ahead and set it. Like, you don't want to leave your concealer without setting it. Some people actually just apply their concealer and their foundation and don't set it. That is for people with dry skin, because if you have an oily skin and then adding with this weather outside, you want to go ahead and set. And I'm using Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I really do love this setting powder, you guys. My undertone is yellow, so anything that has a yellow undertone works really well for me. I also love to use this powder to set my whole entire face. I'm quickly going to go ahead and fill up my brows with Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil. And I don't do much with my brows, you guys. Just comb it up. And sometimes I like to use eyebrow gel to just comb it up so it will be relaxed before I then go ahead and apply the brow pencil. And also, because of the fact that I applied my foundation before my brows, this will also help get rid of any powder on the brows. Okay, so I always like to line my waterline with my Wet n Wild Mega Last retractable eyeliner, and this is a very nice black liner. I kind of like my eyes to have that kind of smoky effect. This Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara is the bomb, you guys. Like, ever since I started using it, like my lashes haven't been the same. What is this? Oh my gosh, is this my lashes or what? Yeah, my lashes is stuck on the wand. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply mascara. And I just like to kind of wiggle it all over my lashes. The difference is clear, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. For my cheek, I'm gonna first of all apply a highlight, and for today's video I'm using a liquid highlight, and this one is from the E.Y.E.B.R.O.W Cosmetics. I always like to apply it right on my makeup sponge and then just dab it on my upper cheekbone. You guys, when it comes to summer, bronzer is my best friend. So I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion, and I absolutely love this bronzer, you guys. I'm using the shade in, what shade is this? Oh my gosh, the shade actually went up, but I think it's 35i, if I'm not mistaken. I just like to use it with my Beauty Crush Cosmetics Precision Angled Brush and just apply it all over my cheekbone. Like, this right here serves as my blush and it's just so beautiful. I'm going to be using my lip combo, you guys. I love these three products, and the very first thing is to go ahead and line with my E.Y.E.S chestnut lip liner. I'm going to apply E.Y.E.B.R.O.W True Color Lip Glow in the shade Light Boost, and this right here, it just gives that very nice kind of brown color, but it's not too much. This right here is just for the color, and then for the gloss, I'm going to use another lip gloss, and this one is from Rimmel. It's their Stay Glossy lip gloss in the shade Dorchester Rose, and this is my favorite lip gloss, you guys. It just gives that very nice shine. You don't want the hot weather outside to mess around with your makeup, so I'm going to go ahead and spray some Urban Decay the Sleek Oil Control Setting Spray. And this is oil control, and also it helps to set the whole face. Woo! And yeah, you guys, of course, you want to go ahead and top it off with some braids. Like when it comes to summer, I always love to braid, you guys. Look how long this braid is. But yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and this is my minimalistic summer ready summer glow up makeup look. And as you all can see, everything just blends and flow flawlessly. Like, let's give it up, let's give it up. You don't need to always wear that heavy makeup, especially with this weather outside. It's not even funny outside, you guys. So this is exactly how I do my summer glow up makeup. Yeah, you guys, I hope you all found this video helpful, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'm going to link everything I used in today's video in my description box, alongside Teami coupon code, in case you guys want to go and grab some Teami products. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon.
I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow, and the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag.